Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this fantastic 66 registered Mini Paceman, and it's the Cooper model you like to know as well. Car is finished in the light white metallic paint finish, which is arguably one of the best colours for these cars. So it's white and it's also metallic. Now this has the exterior black styling detail, so we've got the down tubes on the indicators as we come round the headlamps. The centre of the front grille is also in the high gloss black finish, married with the mirror caps and then running onto the black roof. I must admit, white on black on these really does set the vehicle off. Now the car's then sat on the 17-inch upgrade alloy wheels, and they're in fantastic condition. Just take a look at those. Lovely twin blade alloy wheels, nice to drive on. Those not too big that they make the car hard, but just make and set off the image and the external look of it. Down the sides of the vehicle, it's free from trolley dent. You can tell the last owner has truly cherished this car. Lovely vehicle throughout in a super specification. So the black detailing goes around the mirrors as well, and the back onto the black lights. And then we got the Paceman badge on this one. That is a factory option, that Paceman badge there. So you'll see some with them and some without, because it's an extra. Lovely size boot, very well maintained, very clean. This car is in absolutely superb order. Lovely vehicle. Again, driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is free from trolley dent. Alloy wheels are all in wonderful condition. When it goes across to our service department for detailing, they will remove the wheels, wash them inside and out, polish them, make them look as good as they were when it left the factory, and then we'll detail the calipers so it looks new also. Inside, this car has the half leather rocket interior. Lovely interior on these. These are a great car to drive. Black detailing throughout, mirror interior, lovely condition. Seats, the bolsters and the bases are all in fantastic order, and that, as I say, the tartan check looks really good. 2 keys with it. As I jump in, we've got the leather trimmed steering wheel. This has got a chili pack, so I can tell by just looking at it this is a chili pack car. Climate control, air conditioning, sport button, mini system with boost. Then it's got the radio system, as well as then we've got telephone as well, so you can Bluetooth your phone. Cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel, that's leather trimmed, and then we've got 36,184 miles to be exact. 6-speed manual transmission. We've got then the auxiliary and the USB down below. But a wonderful car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper hasn't smoked in that. And then in the rear then we've got 2 mirror image seats of the front for the passengers, and what a lovely rear of a vehicle to go travelling in. But all in all, what an absolute wonderful example. Lovely low mileage, everything on it. White over black, metallic paint, upgrade wheels, chili pack car, 2 keys, service history, everything that was there new is still available and here with us today. What a wonderful example. So if you'd like to reserve this with us, we'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That takes the car off sale and gets it ready for you. So you only need to come to Wigan once. After you've test drove it, approved it, payment can be taken on your banking app, finance. If you've got a part exchange, we can take that also. Have a look at our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer on Auto Trader. We've been in business now more than 40 years, having yet again won the highly rated for customer service award on Auto Trader and Car Gurus. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.